guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amarachi here again. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. Thank you very much for coming. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing and also put on the bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And thank you very much my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my content. In this video, I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to come up with this your own weight loss drink, detoxing drink that will clear out those toxins from your system and also aid weight loss. So the first ingredient that we're going to be using is celery. Celery is very rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K, plus minerals like potassium and folate. Celery juice is purported to have several benefits including weight loss and also improve gut and skin. So celery is very good for the body. The next ingredient that we'll be needing for this weight loss drink is cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories but are very high in important vitamins and minerals. It also contains antioxidants. It promotes hydration. It may also aid weight loss. It may lower your blood sugar level and could promote irregularity in the body. So guys, cucumber is very good for the body and is easily paired with food. You can use cucumbers for your salad. You can use it to eat nuts like peanuts, like walnuts. Cucumbers is very good and is nutritious for the body. The next ingredient that we'll be using is pear. Guys, pear is very good for the body and is filled with fibers, vitamins, and minerals which are thought to fight inflammation, promote gut health, and also your heart health. It also promotes it also protects you against certain diseases like cancer, and it will aid weight loss. When you eat one pear, it will keep you full in order for you not to crave for other foods. So in that way, it will aid weight loss. So the next ingredient that we are going to be using is apples. Guys, an apple a day take you far from your doctor. Okay, yes, it's true. Apples are a very good source of fiber and vitamin C. Apple promotes heart health in several ways. It also lowers cholesterol levels. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compound that will help you, help regulate your immune system. So apple is very good for your body. Please try to be eating at least one apple a day. So the next ingredient that we're going to be using is grape. Guys, grape is very good for your body, filled with vitamins and minerals. Guys, grape is so good for the skin. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is ginger. Guys, ginger is a plant, it's a root that God has blessed us with. Ginger also decreases inflammation and it stimulates digestion. It also suppresses your appetites. Okay, ginger is very good. It's also good for your flu and cold. It will help you to cure flu and cold. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is lemon. I will be using both the peel of the lemon and also the lemon itself because the peel contains high amount of vitamins. So the lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It supports weight loss, it hydrates your skin and also improve your skin quality and aid digestion. So lemon is very good for your body. It also prevents kidney stones. So what I'm doing now is I'm blending all ingredients together. You want to blend in order for you to get that smooth paste. If you want to take it as a smoothie, you have to blend to get it more smoother for you to enjoy it while taking as a smoothie. But if you want to strain it the way I'm doing, because I'm straining it, I just want to get out the juice. You have to blend well also in order for you to get all the juice from the mixed fruit. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just blending and straining with my filter. Guys, this drink contains lots of vitamins, lots of minerals. It will glow out your skin, give you that flat tummy. What you have to do is to take this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and also you can take it last thing before you go to bed. Okay, you take this for 1 week, so you will be seeing the results. Okay, and also when you are taking weight loss drink, you cut out of some certain kind of food that will make you fat. Okay, you can cut from a little carbohydrate. Okay, eat more vegetables and minerals. Thank you very, very much for watching this awesome video. And here we have our weight loss drink. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video very helpful, please give it a thumb up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also share to your loved ones in order for them to benefit from this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.